Have you ever wondered why artificial intelligence seems to be a part of nearly every gadget, service, and workflow you encounter these days? From the humble smartphone in your pocket to the high-tech assembly lines building those phones, AI is the quiet engine driving modern innovation. Any marketing team that ignores AI risks being left behind, while the competition gets faster, smarter, and more efficient. I'm Noel with Jotform, and in this video we will discuss exactly how AI can elevate every stage of your marketing process, free your team from repetitive chores, and help you deliver the kind of personalized experiences customers love to talk about. We'll define AI in marketing, peek under the hood to see how the technology learns, cover key benefits, walk through real-world applications like content creation and chatbots, and wrap up with helpful tips so you can avoid common pitfalls. Let's jump right in. First things first, artificial intelligence marketing is all about leveraging smart tools such as machine learning models, deep learning algorithms, and streamlined automations to refine core strategies. Because these tools can personalize messaging, upgrade customer interactions, and strip away time-consuming admin work, marketers everywhere are embracing them with open arms. That enthusiasm makes sense when you realize how AI marketing tools are becoming a part of daily workflows. Integrate them properly and you'll see workload reductions, productivity boosts, and better campaign outcomes without having to expand your payroll. It's like adding an endlessly energetic teammate who never needs coffee or a vacation day. To harness that power, you need a basic grasp of what's happening behind the scenes. AI learns by absorbing your data such as campaign metrics, customer behaviors, and survey responses, running it through algorithms that highlight patterns and relationships. Once those patterns are mapped, the tool can understand, predict, and act on tasks that align with them. Picture how you might master a new marketing task yourself. At first, you follow a set of instructions, slowly gaining confidence. AI operates the same way, except the instructions are baked into its code. Feed the system a rich data diet, and it quickly figures out your preferences, your customers' quirks, and how best to serve content that resonates. Machine learning kicks things up a notch. Over time, as the AI sees more data and more outcomes, it refines its performance. It learns what works, what flops, and how subtle tweaks can change results. That means tasks that once required hours of human analysis, like deciphering engagement trends across 12 social platforms, can now be handled in minutes. Deep learning then takes us into even more sophisticated territory. By mimicking the neural structure of the human brain, deep learning allows AI to tackle complex challenges like sentiment analysis, natural language processing, or automatic transcription. It's the secret sauce behind familiar helpers such as Siri, Cortana, and yes, ChatGPT. With deep learning in your toolbox, your team can easily run sentiment scans across a week's worth of brand mentions, generate accurate captions for images, or transcribe a 30-minute podcast before your coffee has cooled. Best of all, those capabilities run quietly in the background, freeing your human staff to focus on high-level strategy. So what does all of this mean in practical terms? Let's break down the concrete benefits that AI brings to the marketing table, one by one. First, AI creates personalized customer experiences. By digging through behavioral and demographic data, it can recommend the right message, delivered at the right moment, on the right channel. This gives each prospect the feeling that they are understood. Second, it streamlines marketing workflows. Mundane chores like data entry, report generation, or basic asset resizing disappear into automated pipelines, giving your team the hours they use to spend firefighting spreadsheets and dashboards. Third, it reduces the number of tasks human marketers must handle. When AI drafts copy, schedules social posts, or flags anomalies in performance metrics, your colleagues can turn their attention to creative brainstorming and strategic planning, the work that humans excel at. Fourth, AI supports growth and scaling. Need to double output for a seasonal push? Smart automations expand capacity without forcing you to scramble for temporary hires or blow up budgets, ensuring quality stays high even as volume grows. Fifth, it provides actionable insights. Instead of staring at a sea of numbers and guessing which metric matters most, AI surfaces patterns that would have taken analysts days to uncover. Decision makers get clear direction backed by data, not gut feelings, which leads to more confident strategies and better resource allocation. Combine these 7 perks, and you end up with a department that works smarter, not harder. Campaign quality rises, timelines shrink, and the burnout that often leads to turnover becomes a rarer sight, which is great news for morale and budget alike. Now, let's explore the most popular real-world applications of AI in marketing, starting with content generation. Speed matters. Generative AI can whip up audience-specific assets in record time, including blog posts that sound like they were crafted by your star writer, social media posts that match your brand's voice, outreach emails that feel personal, survey questions your responders actually want to answer, and product listings that highlight specs with flair. The key to unlocking that power is learning to write clear, purposeful prompts. Think of a prompt as the steering wheel. The more precise your directions, the straighter the creative path your AI will follow toward the destination you have in mind. Let's move to audience segmentation. AI-powered analysis tools can ingest your entire customer database and sort buyers into meaningful clusters using criteria such as demographics, geography, personality traits, purchasing habits, and personal interests. With these segments in hand, creating laser-targeted campaigns becomes less of a chore and more of a creative adventure, often translating into higher engagement rates and healthier pipelines. Third on the list is customer service chatbots. Traditional bots often feel rigid, but today's AI-driven chat experiences are different. They recognize context, adapt in real time, and respond with language that feels natural. Rather than walking through canned decision trees, customers hold genuine conversations, get solutions faster, and leave with a better impression of your brand. This is where Jotform AI agents shine brightest. With our platform, you can build an AI chatbot from scratch without any coding experience required, or choose from a gallery of pre-built personalities, each designed for a specific marketing niche. There's a general marketing agent for broad inquiries, a social media marketing specialist, a survey-focused agent for research, and an email marketing wizard for inbox-based support. Train your agent on your own data, embed it on your site, and watch it lead visitors through an intuitive, conversational experience that feels almost human. The fourth big application is search engine optimization. AI-powered SEO tools audit drafts and publish posts alike, scanning for keyword opportunities, backlink gaps, and structural tweaks that might boost rankings. Simply upload your article into an SEO-specialized application, review the suggestions, and perform quick edits. You can even install AI extensions in your software of choice so potential optimizations pop up while you type, saving you the hassle of a separate check and ensuring every piece you publish is search-ready from the moment it hits the CMS. Now, as powerful as AI can be, it's not a silver bullet. There are three key challenges you must navigate carefully. The first is privacy. Training AI well requires feeding it comprehensive data sets, and that often involves customer information. Mishandled or excessive data collection sparks privacy concerns and can knock your organization out of compliance with regulations. This causes issues that are costly to fix after the fact. Second comes data quality. AI outputs only as good as its inputs. If your numbers are outdated or your records incomplete, the analysis and recommendations you receive will miss the mark. A little data cleanup up front goes a long way toward keeping the model useful and reliable. The third challenge is the potential loss of human touch. No matter how sophisticated an algorithm becomes, it can misinterpret nuance or fail to capture the warmth of a real person. Over-relying on AI for delicate interactions may erode trust or create more remedial work for staff who have to smooth out robotic missteps. Fortunately, there are also three helpful tips to minimize those risks. First, be transparent. Openly explain to customers what data you collect, how you use it, and why that usage benefits them. Transparency builds trust and eases privacy worries. Second, use data ethically. Avoid sharing sensitive or controversial information and stay firmly within compliance boundaries to maintain credibility and goodwill. Third, monitor performance. Keep human supervisors in the loop, regularly reviewing AI outputs so you can tweak inputs or override decisions before minor issues snowball into major headaches. Implementing AI may feel intimidating at first, but each small test, each data-driven tweak, and each automated report adds up quickly, proving the value long before a full rollout is complete. So go ahead. Research the solutions that align with your objectives. Start small if you need to, and expand as confidence grows. Artificial intelligence isn't the distant future. It's the tool you can harness today to keep your marketing ahead of the curve. Thanks for spending part of your day with me. I'm Noel with Jotform. If you found value here, click that subscribe button so you never miss a tip. Until next time, keep creating and keep innovating.